Samsung's new flagship phones, the Galaxy S23 series, debuted with new performance modes, Standard and Light. That feature appears to have been a masterstroke. With the Galaxy S23 series, Samsung introduced new performance modes outside of the old power-saving mode. While power-saving mode adjusts brightness and limits CPU speed to 70%, the new modes, Standard and Light, are a bit more nuanced, and benchmarks have now revealed exactly how much of a performance difference there is between the two. As tested by Golden Reviewer, the Galaxy S23 Ultra's Cortex-X3 core drops from a clock speed of 3.36 to 2.84 GHz when switched from Standard to Light. The Prime core's performance drops as well, going from a big core score of 60.86 down to 55.12. Not as significant as one would expect. Interestingly, power consumption drops from 4.9 to 2.97 watts. All of those numbers point toward light mode being significantly more efficient, about 50% more so actually, while only losing about 10% peak performance. Those numbers are for the Cortex-X3 core in particular, but carry over to multi-core performance as well. The Galaxy S23 Ultra in Standard has been tested on Geekbench with a single core score of 1604, with that figure dropping down to 1377 in Light. In the multi-core test, the S23 Ultra and its Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 record a score of 5311 when in Standard and dropped down to 4896 in Light, a 15% decrease in performance across the board between the two modes. The numbers look consistent. Light enforces a 10% to 15% drop in performance with potentially higher efficiency gains. In fact, even in Light, Galaxy S23 series performance still edges right about every Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 device while being significantly more efficient. That's a huge win in our books. It appears all of that hardware as well as solid optimization has resulted in a flagship that delivers excellent battery life, significantly better than the S22 Ultra and within touching distance of Apple's best. So, what are your thoughts about these performance mode? Let us know it down below in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.